Hey guys, it's Marissa at KitchenTablesStamper.com. Looks like we're live. Des, will you share this on the craft social for me? Awesome. I know, Saturday morning, not when I usually go live, but I have really big news. And so it calls for a live video. Give you a few minutes to get in here. I know it's unusual. We're going to make a card today. This little note card. Now, I have to be completely upfront right from the beginning. This is a card that my friend sent to me. Hi, Kathy. I did not have any part in the designing of this card. I got it in the mail from my friend Julie. Hi, Julie. Hi, Anne. I know it's unusual for me to go live on a Saturday morning, but I have big news. Share the video if you care to. Big news, big news. Maybe you can guess based on the subject of the live video today. How about this? Does this give you some idea of what the big news is? My friend Julie sent me this card, and because Saturday morning, big news, unplanned live video, I am casing her card. Julie, thank you so much for this gorgeous card. All right. So while you're getting tuned in here, I'm going to go through the supplies for this card, and then I'll share some big news with you. All right, so I'm using my Stampin' Up! Whisper White note cards and envelopes. Love these dudes. I got a brand new pack here, so let's get an envelope and a card. These are super convenient, these note cards and envelopes. They're 3.5 by 5-inch cards with coordinating envelopes. They're a little bit smaller. They're great for fast note cards like this. We put together a stack of them and have them all ready. And a little Stampin' Up! Envelope to coordinate. We're going to make some note cards here. And then let's see here. So I got my note cards. You can see my butterfly Duet Punch. It's back in stock. That's the big news. So you can get your Butterfly Duet Punch now. You can get your Butterfly Gala bundle, where you can add the Butterfly Gala stamp set to the punch and save 10% on both products. They're back in stock. A few other things that are back in stock just recently. You might have been waiting for the gingham 6x6 assorted paper, designer series paper. That's back in stock. And so is the cake builder punch. So if you've been waiting for the cake builder and the piece of cake or the bundle, these are all in stock in time to earn celebration rewards. Okay, so that's the big news. We're using the Part of My Story stamp set and the awesome Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. These two items are free items with your $50 celebration purchase. So go get your Butterfly Gala bundle, your piece of cake bundle, and pick up these great products for free. 12 by 12 designer series paper, two-sided. One is a fun, bright butterfly that coordinates with the Butterfly Duet Punch. The other side is a fun black and white pattern. I just am absolutely over the moon for this product, and I love that it coordinates with the Butterfly Duet Punch that is back in stock. Did I tell you guys that? All right, so here's our gorgeous card. We're also going to use our Stitched Shapes framelits, the second largest square, and then the layering squares scallop that coordinates with that. Barbara ordered hers yesterday. You got that Butterfly Punch? Hi, Nadine. All right, so let's see. What else do we need? We need some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to go ahead and just case this one outright and use my Let's Get Together and Giggle greeting from Part of My Story. Free with a $50 order. Can't buy this one. You can only get it for free. I've got my silver metallic thread here. And you're not going to believe how easy these are and how just striking they are. Do you see that gorgeous multicolor butterfly with the two layers and then the little thread behind it, this crisp black and white? My friend Julie sent me this card, and I thought it was a perfect one to recreate, along with the announcement that the Butterfly Duet Punch is back in stock in time for celebration. Kathy got hers before they went on back order. So did I. I got mine right away because I love the tiny little butterfly. I use tiny little butterflies like this all the time in embellishing cards. I think they make a perfect little something. When your card needs a little dimension, a little texture, I love to use tiny little butterflies to do that. So I got it immediately, like as soon as it was available. I love this bundle from the start. And I'm so glad that it's back in time to get the celebration rewards. I had several people who were concerned about maybe doing that. And in the nick of time, it's available. I'm kind of surprised. I'm excited, but that's why I'm here casing my friend Julie's card, is really just to let you know that it's back. All right, let's get started on this card. You're not going to believe how easy or how exciting it is. Look at the effect that you get with that butterfly. Now, let me let you in on a secret. The butterfly Duet Punch coordinates perfectly with the butterfly, with the Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. Now you can only get this paper free with your $50 order. There's the back side, the front side. This little front side coordinates with the butterfly Duet Punch, the small butterfly here. This pattern, here's the A side, and here's the B side. This pattern coordinates with the larger butterfly on the punch. So you can just punch out butterflies from your paper all day long. Now I'm going to take this one right here in my butterfly Duet Punch, and let's see if I need to cut it away. Let's see if I can get it. Sometimes you got to cut the paper away so that you can get it in there without any trouble, but it looks like we're going to do fine on this one. Do you see how it perfectly lines up with the butterfly? Punch it out. Look at that gorgeous multicolor butterfly you've got with absolutely no coloring. So when you get your butterfly Duet Punch, maybe in a bundle with the Butterfly Gala, place that order for $50 or more and get the Botanical Butterfly paper free. All right, so there's our big butterfly. Now we want one that coordinates. So I'm going to go for this dude right here. Let's see if we can get it in there without making any cuts. Actually, I'm going to trim away this little bit right here. See if that makes it easier for us to punch. And now you'll see the little butterflies also line up and coordinate perfectly. Look at that gorgeousness. Hey, Desi, we grab my black Stampin' Up marker. I forgot to grab it ahead of time. All right, so we've got our two gorgeous butterflies. Do you see that? We've got all this fancy coloring with no work at all. I'm going to take a little multi-purpose liquid glue and I'm going to put it just along the body of the little butterfly here, and a little bit will do. You could also use a mini glue dot for that. Uh-oh, my glue's giving me trouble. Hang on. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, I am not going to leave you here while I try to get my multi-purpose liquid glue flowing. Mini glue dot will do the same job. So we're going to put a little mini glue dot behind butterfly's body there, and then just line them up nested. And we want the wings to be free. There. All right, now I'm going to take my Stampin' Up marker, and I'm just going to continue this little butterfly's body so that it matches up with the big butterfly's body, and we'll make it one butterfly instead of two layered. You see that? A couple of strokes with a Stampin' Up marker, and it's all done. Now let's get our big shot in here. We're going to do some quick die cutting. Anybody else been waiting for this bundle to get back in stock? I have been. I know lots of people have been. It was beyond Stampin' Up's wildest dreams popular. All right, so I got a scrap of Whisper White and a scrap of Basic Black. I'm going to run these two dies right through at the same time. Like I said, this is one of those note cards you can make a bunch of really quickly. use up all those black and white scraps too. Cannot believe that celebration is almost over. How about you guys? Hi, Avenel. I'm glad you found me. I know I don't usually go live on a Saturday morning like this, but I've got big news. All right, so there's my die cuts. Let's get the big shot out of here. This is what we're making. Those of you who are just joining us, share with your friends because I got big news. Maybe you can guess by the subject of my live video here. The Butterfly Duet Punch is back just in time for celebration. So if you haven't gotten that bundle yet, the Butterfly Gala bundle, now's the time. If you haven't gotten your cake builder punch with your piece of cake bundle, it's a great time. Get the bundle discount and some great celebration products. Get a little freebie. All right, so I'm gonna take this dude right here, my stitched, and I'm going to tape that down. Oh, got two somehow. This is really crazy. Do you know I got two? I just die cut my envelope. That was bad. I picked up the envelope instead of the scrap des. Guess what? I'm still using it though. Let's see, is it too thin? Stampin' Up! Envelopes are awesome quality, so going for that. All right, then I'm gonna take my butterfly and I'm gonna put a little bit of, you can use tear and tape here. You could probably use snail and get away with it. I've got my fast fuse and I'm gonna take off a length about fingertip to elbow is how I usually measure this out because that's usually enough of this metallic silver thread. And then I'm gonna tack the end to the butterfly's body. And I'm going to just make some fun little loops here. And what I want is a couple of loops off each wing of the butterfly. I think it's kind of cool and makes it look like movement. See what we're going for here. And each time you loop around, you just tack it into the adhesive on the back of butterfly's body. And we'll do the other side the same way. Barbara says, it's such a cute card. Isn't it awesome? My friend Julie, who is a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator also in Illinois, every once in a while pops into my classes, and I really love her company, but she sent me this card with payment for our class, and I couldn't even help it when I heard the news that the Butterfly Duet Punch was back in stock. It's like, I need to go live, but with what? And I was like, oh, I hope Julie doesn't mind me casing her card because it is just so gorgeous. So thank you, Julie. Now we're going to center our little butterfly with that same adhesive if it's sticky enough. Sometimes it's not once you get all the thread there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to give us a little trouble. So we'll just add a little bit of adhesive right in the center of our square. And then we can pop our little butterfly embellishment onto that adhesive, making sure that we keep the wings of our butterfly free for that extra little dimension. And this one's been through the mail and everything. It still shows that beautiful like flutter, that dimension. The silver thread indicates kind of movement of the butterfly's wings, and the slightly lifted wings are just so cute, even when it goes through the mail. All right, now here's our note card. Let me grab a bone folder. We're gonna get our note card folded up. Now for a little bit more dimension, I got my end of my Stampin' Dimensional here. Hi, Kathy. I hope you're well. I haven't seen you in a long time, my friend. Isn't it such a springy card? The best part, I think, is just how fast and easy it comes together. So I'm adding a little dimensionals here. Get a pack of note cards, the Butterfly Gala bundle. Get the Botanical Butterfly paper, some silver metallic thread, and you can bust out a bunch of these little note cards with all kinds of greetings in no time flat. They really are fast. Hi, Sharon. Thanks for sharing. All right, so we're going to take our butterfly embellishment here and put it just high of center on our Whisper White note card. And then, now I'm going to use this Let's Get Together and Giggle. It's from Part of My Story, which you can get for free with a $50 purchase. But if you're looking at Butterfly Gala and the Butterfly Duet Punch, maybe as a bundle, look at the great sentiments that you'd have for these note cards. A little note, good things in life are better with you. Thank you so very much. You've been on my mind, and hello, beautiful. Any of those greetings would be perfect. And if you were busting out a bunch of these, of course, you'd want to mix and match those greetings so you had a bunch of note cards on hand for whenever you need to send a card. All right, so let's see if I can do this straight, and that could be challenging because I'm standing and kind of looking through the phone, but there we go. All right, we're gonna center it and stamp. Stamping right on a project always makes me nervous. How about you? Hi, Susie. All right, here's the big reveal. Did I wiggle? Did I jiggle? Is it uphill or downhill? Not too bad. All right, so that's my card today. And my big news, Butterfly Duet Punch is finally back in stock and just in time to get some great celebration freebies. Thanks for the card design, Julie. My friend Julie designed this card and sent it to me. I can't take any credit. She is amazing. Kathy, come out to class sometime. I've got coffee and a card on April 3rd. 10 a.m. to noon, drop in. Sharon says beautiful. Julie says cute card. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll pass it on to Julie when I talk to her. Get your Butterfly Duet Punch or your Butterfly Gala bundle with the 10% discount while we're still in celebration. Celebration ends Sunday. Please don't forget, and please don't wait till the very last minute to place your orders. All right, you guys, if you've got any questions about anything as celebration's wrapping up, just give me a call. I'll be working and available pretty much the rest of the day. Julie ordered her bundle yesterday. Yes, good job. Get that bundle discount in time for the end of the celebration. All right, guys, I can't believe celebration's almost over. Can you? All right, I'm off to go take care of some things. Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com if you guys need anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.